Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will learn about the buffer tool, for which purpose it is being used in ArcMap. Buffer tool is used. Let me zoom in to my data. Buffer tool is basically used to make the width, to increase the width of that area. To make, if we want a road, this is for example, this is our the boundary of that area, and we want to extend our boundary to both the sides. For example, if this is a road, this is the road from B to C point, and we want to extend this point like 12 to 13 meters in any map, then we will use the buffer tool. Okay, from where it is being used, and just go to the geoprocessing tool and click on the buffer tool. And this buffer tool is a geoprocessing tool that creates buffer polygons. It automatically creates buffering polygons around that input feature or to a specified distance. We will give the distance, how much we want to extend this for this side and for this side. Okay, this will automatically creates the buffering polygons, okay, around this line, around this. As I want to add buffer around this all the boundary, then I will select from here and go to this geoprocessing tool, and I will click on the buffer, and from here I will open up, I will give the input feature, and this, as this new shapefile is the input feature, and this is my was my boundary, and from here I can select the units in which I have to open up. I click on the meters, and here I just 12 meters. Okay, just make these all settings according to your own desire, or remain them, or if you not want to change any of one, and then make them the default. Press on the OK button. Okay, after pressing it will start working in the background. Okay, close. Now you can see that buffer of that particular area is being created on the both sides, for this side and for this side. Now if I will just zoom out this area. Now you can check that my boundary is being buffered for 10 meters on one side and for 10 meters on the other side. This is the basic purpose of the buffering tool. Okay, I hope you understand the use of this tool. We can use this tool anywhere, on any map, on any particular area, on any particular shape, on any particular line, on any particular polygon, to use in ArcMap according to our own choice. Okay, this was the basic purpose of this buffering tool. I hope you understand. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for other things, for other basic tools. I will teach you from the beginning to the advanced level. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.